For my next video, I'd like to do one on the feature called Private Album. And I do believe that this started on Samsung Galaxy's One UI 8.5, which right now we're currently sitting on beta 8. Probably the last beta, I would hope, before we get the final version. But this has worked very good right from beta 1. And I'd like to go over and show you, if you have a picture in your gallery, there's been past ways that you can hide it and do whatever. This way, they actually have a feature now called Private Album. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive right in, as I like to call it. So we'll go to our gallery, we'll grab a picture. There's a picture, and then the three dots, upper right corner. No, I'm sorry. We want to share it at the bottom. Okay, one more time. Let's try that again. So we're in our main album here of all the pictures, and I'm going to tap and hold on the picture that I want. Bottom right corner, we can move it to secure folder or move it to private album. So let's go ahead and move it to the private album. Move. Okay, now when we go into our gallery, we're going to go to menu and bottom left corner, private album. I have to use my security, which in this case is my thumb pattern, and there it is. So again, I started off wrong. You have to go directly into the gallery. You have to pick your, imagine you could do more than one. Let's try more than one. And then go to more. Yep. And then move to private album. Move. And then now when we go to menu, their private album. And there they are. Now if I want to not remove them, but put them back, I just tap on them. Hit move, moves them back into my regular album, and there they are at the top. So it's really a pretty neat little feature that they've built in, realizing that people want to hide, and this is encryption hiding. This isn't just hiding, not knowing where they are, like some examples have. Some workarounds were hiding the pictures and they really were still there. And this is encrypting it into a whole different folder. So that's my video on how to make a private secure album. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.